Today's our topic of discussion is rhodophycy. Rhodophycy included in kingdom planting. We are at Chokhad biology classes Parvani. Let us discuss in detail about rhodophycy. Rhodophycy is commonly known as red algae because rhodophycy contain a red pigment which is called phycoerythrin. This is the cell of red algae. This is the cell wall. Cell wall of red algae is made up of a material with the help of cellulose, pectin and polysulfate ester. Next, this is a structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a satellite structure. Within a chloroplast, some important pigments are present, such as R-phycoerythrin, chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll D. This is the red pigment R-phycoerythrin. With the help of this pigment, red algae produce food. This food is stored in the storage body is called a vacuole. The food stored in the form of this dot is food which is stored in the form of Floridian starch. This structure of Floridian starch is similar to structure of glycogen and amylopectin which is present in human body. Structure of Floridian starch, amylopectin and glycogen is similar. This is a important question, need point of view. Next, we will discuss about habitat of red algae. This is the ocean. Red algae mostly found in marine water. But some red algae found in fresh water as well as brackish water. Most of the red algae found in upper surface of ocean where warm area is present. Greater concentration found is warmer area which is surface to ocean where well light region is present. But some red algae found in depth of ocean where light cannot penetrate maximum. Great depth of ocean, relative little light penetrates. Next, we will discuss about plant body of red algae. This is a plant body. This is called red thalli, which is a multicellular structure. Multicellular structure of algae and branch structure of algae is called complex body organization. Branch structure is called complex body organization. Next, we will discuss about reproduction of algae. As you know that there are three reproduction of algae. First is called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occur with the help of fragmentation. This is a structure of algae and this is a fragment of algae. This is a cutted part. This cut part is called a fragment. This fragment gives rise to new body. This method is called fragmentation method. Next, we will discuss about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction of algae, red algae, takes place with the help of non-motile spore, non-flagellated non-motile spores. These spores are two types. First is a carpospores. Carpospores on germination gives rise to a plant body is called a sporophytic body. Within a sporophyte body, there are again produced new spores is called tetraspores. Tetraspores on germination gives rise to gametophytic body. On this gametophytic body, there is a development of male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete release sperm and female gamete release egg. Sperm and egg undergoes fertilization to produce sporophytic body. This sporophytic body again release spore. That spore is called carpospores. A sexual reproduction occurs with the help of non-motile spore, and first spore is called carpospore and second spore is called tetraspore. Let us discuss about sexual reproduction of algae. Within a sexual reproduction, non-motile male and female gamete, this sperm and this is egg, these are non-motile female and male gamete which is similar in size, hence it's called oogamous. Sperm and egg which are similar in size, hence it's called oogamous. After sperm and egg undergoes fertilization to produce a zygote. This zygote produce new body is called carposporophyte body. But this is an important point. Complex post-fertilization development occur within red algae. Let us discuss about examples of red algae. Let us discuss about examples of red algae. Example, how to remember red algae? Two types. Take name two types. Two times. Priyanka Gandhi, Porophyra, Polysiphonium, Gracilaria, Geladium. This is the structure of Porphyra. This is the structure of Polysiphonia. This is the structure of Gracilaria. This is the structure of Geladium. Take twice name, Priyanka Gandhi. Then recall the names: Porphyra, Polysiphonia, Gracilaria, Geladium. Next, we will discuss about benefits of algae. What is the significance of red algae? First, red algae having hydrocolloid property. Red algae having hydrocolloid property. Hydrocolloids means water holding capacity. Example, carrageen. Carrageen is a red algae which is having water holding capacity. And next use of red algae. There are two examples of red algae. First, Gracilaria. Second, Geladium. These two red algae. This is structure of Gracilaria and this is the structure of Geladium. We use these two algae to prepare agar-agar. With the help of Geladium and Gracilaria, we use to prepare agar-agar, a powder. This powder is useful to make ice creams, jellies, and this powder mixed with water and added on this plate. This plate is called a Petri plate. Then we add microorganism on this plate. Microorganism take food from agar-agar and undergoes replication to produce new many microorganism. This is called culture medium. Culture medium. थैंक यू. आप अभी डिटेल एनसीईआरटी में से पूरा रेड algae पढ़ लो. रेड algae के एग्जाम्पल याद करो. रेड algae का हैबिटेट याद करो. रेड algae का रिप्रोडक्शन याद करो. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स as per NCERT syllabus. Thank